Okay, so this is like part 5 because I accidentally turned off the GoPro, the phone here. So this part 5 pretty much just dismantled everything. Let me just show you what it looks like now for you here. I can point out, there we go. All right, so the whole block is disassembled. It's completely empty. Gonna take this to the machine shop and have it checked to make sure it's all good. And then, this is what it looks like here now. So, yeah, I have my Jackery. I was checking out my Jackery here, but yeah, you can see the whole disassembled stuff here. So, yeah, that is it. So, anyways, well, thank you. This concludes pretty much the disassembly of a 4AG. Hopefully, anyone that's watching this learned something, and hopefully we'll tackle this too, or learn something when they build their own motor and all that good mess. But yeah, it's 1 in the morning right now. I'm tired as hell, but I did it for y'all. And yeah, thanks. And hopefully I'll see you at the track. And yeah, all right, bye. All right.